draw closer to the people we represent, not further away. Let us show in our actions that we are here to serve our people, not to enrich ourselves. We are accountable to this party.
Umengameli uSiril ephendula imibuzo evele kunkulumo-mpikiswano yesabelo semali kanti uphendule nalaba abebahlaba amahlelo wakhe wanonyaka.
If you look at the functions of local government versus what province and national does, a lot of work is happening at local government, and we say local government is the cold face of service delivery.
Umbuso wehlandla lekhomba uthi njenganje uzokutsheja kakhulu ukusebenza kwabo masipalata ngombana bamgogodla ukuhluma komnotho. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganisa izindaba kodwa ku-SABC1 ngesindebele lotshani. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi uhulumende wehlandla lekhomba kufanele enze indlela entsha yetuthuko nempumelelo ebantwini beSouth Africa. uRamaphosa ubephendula malungana nenkulumo-mpikiswano yesabelo semali eParliament eKapa namhlanje. Kanti kodwa uphendule namalunga weParliament ahlabe inkulumo nonyaka.
Iye khona amanye amalunga weParliament azamukela impendulo zakhe kodwa namanye athinta inhloko athi umengameli uRamaphosa sekujayelekile bonenza izithembiso kodwa angaziphumelelisi. uRamaphosa uthi uhulumende webumbano kufuza asebenze ngamandla ukwenza ngcono impilo yalabo abadose emhlweni uthembisa ukuqinisa umnotho welizweli.
It is the plight of those who are poor, unemployed and living lives of great hardship that should occupy our attention collectively. It is the great challenge of our democratic government and the intention of this administration to fulfill that promise of a better life for all.
Melubawe nemphathimandla zikahulumende bona akezitsheje izakhamuzi zelizweli zingasebenzeli ukutsheja inkhuluphelo zazo kwaphela.
And let us draw closer to the people we represent, not further away. Let us show in our actions that we are here to serve our people, not to enrich ourselves.
Umengameli uRamaphosa ungezelele nangelithi ilizweli ngosukunande liba nomraro wegezi begodwa namanzi fuza aphume emlibe.
The reforms that are underway in water, like reinstituting water quality monitoring systems, developing a raw water pricing strategy, and establishing water partnership office to develop water infrastructure, have direct and material benefits for service delivery. Improved water infrastructure ensures more reliable, sustainable water supply. Water quality management systems mean cleaner water and a reduced health risk for our people.
Mengameli bewatsho nokuthi ukhitshelelwe ebuthweni lezokuvikela akuzokwenzeka khathesi ngoba nakuzinkhwama zona zidududu inthora zikho. Endabeni ze-SABC nginguComfort Masombuka.
Umholi we-Action SA uHerman Mashaba uthi uyalithanda idorobha leJohannesburg kunye nobukhazikhazi balo. Ngokuya komcozululi wezepolitiki uDr. uNtsikelelo Breakfast uthi ngikho lokho okwenza bona ihlangano yakhe ifune ukuba ingcenye yokunzinzisa idorobheli. uBreakfast ubekhuluma ngalokho ihlangano le engakuzuza ngokusebenzisana ne-ANC eGauteng. Kodwa na uthi ingaba nomthelo ongasimuhle ehlanganweni yonke.
Isifunda seGauteng sithathwa njengesinomnotho omningi elizweni lonke. Phambilini isifundisi sibe nemraro nazi zebaholini. Khulukhulu kibe uhulumende ababusa ngokuhlanganyela ababhalelwa kunikela abantu izenzelo. Izakhamuzi eziningi azinazenzelwa nje.
Coalition arrangements have been unworkable and unstable, largely because of a missing link between conflict management and coalition politics, because there is no mechanism to regulate conflicts.
uBreakfast uthi ngombana phambilini uMashaba bekayimiyara eJohannesburg lokho kwenza isifunda seGauteng siqhakatheke ehlanganweni le.
Because of that sentimental attachment, I think they would like to contribute to the economic and the political trajectory of the city. maybe or maybe not, he feels like the current leaders are letting the citizens down. By so doing, they are eroding his legacy that he worked hard for.
uDr Breakfast uyelelisa ngokuthi abomasipala abanemvumelwano zokubusa ngokuhlanganyela eGauteng kodwana bangasebenzisani ngokufana embusweni bumbano lokho kungafaka iANC emrarweni. Uthi isiqundo seANC sokusebenza neDA sizoyithinta kumbi iANC nayibamba iconference ngoNobayeni.
Uhulumende wekhomba njenganje uqalise wonke amehlo phezu kwabohulumende bemakhaya ngemva kokuhloka ichecho. Nakuvulwa eParliament ngeveke ephelileyo, uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ugandelele ukuqakatheka kwemisebenzi yabomasipalata. Omunye wabosomnotho uyelelise ngokuthi ukubhalelwa kokusebenza kwabomasipalata kulimaza umnotho ngehlangothini lokusisa kunye nokuvula amathuba wemisebenzi. Abomasipalata basebenza kakhulu ekuvuseleleni umnotho odosa abasisi, kanti lokho bakwenza ngendlela yokubhadelwa kwezenzelwa ezifana namanzi negezi.
Leli lidorobha elibalwa hlangana namanye amadorobha amakhulu eSouth Africa pha enarhenikazi yeAfrika le, lapha wonke umuntu onebhizinisi achinga khona ngethemba lokukhulisa ibhizinisi lakhe. Kodwana kwenzekani emabhizinisini wonke lokho abomasipalata babhalelwa kunikelwa ngezenzelo ezifaneleko? Ikampani encane yezemikhangiso khona ithi vusa ihloko nje ngemva komlandelande wokuqindeliswa kwegezi. Ikampani le ikhangisela ikoro yamateksi, amasondo, iminyanya ehlukahlukeneko kunye nenkulisa. Ikampani ekhe yasebenza kuhle le njenganje isele ngabasebenzi abalithoba kwaphela ngemva kokubhalelwa kuthola indlela ezinye zamandla nayibalekela ukuqindeliswa kwegezi.
What we were going through during load shedding, we lost a lot of business. As you can see now, it's quiet while it was busy, but because we didn't have a backup system. Then after we tried, it was too late actually to do that, and also it came at a cost. So with electricity for us, it's the key. Without electricity, it's more like we are not operating.
Umsebenzi wabaphathi babomasipalata abasebenza kuhle ukukhulisa umnotho nokwenza impilo yabantu bengcono. Nanyana kunjalo ukubhalelwa kunikela ngezenzela zomphakathi kungagcina kulimaza amabhizinisi amaningi nofana kuwavalela unomphela.
If we look at our growth rates in the first quarter of 2024, we had a contraction in the economy, 0.1% contraction in the economy. So, which is a major hindrance to us achieving our socio-economic goals. So by, encouraging that investment, that's going to boost and also ultimately boost economic growth in the economy.
Ihlangano ejamele abohulumende bemakhaya eGauteng iyavuma ukuthi abomasipalata basisekelo sezenzelwa zomphakathi, kanti ikholwa ukuthi isiqhema esaba imali kuhulumende ophezulu kufanele siqalele khulu imisebenzi yabomasipalata nayaba imali.
Currently the education is quite skewed. If you look at the functions of local government versus what province and national does, a lot of work is happening at local government, and that is why all of us will say local government is the cold face of service delivery.
Njenganje uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uphose ilihlo kibomasipalata begodu uthi uhulumende akhe angeze acabanga kabili ukusebenzisa umthetho sisekelo ukungenelela lapha
Union yabasebenzi besizwe elihabako ihlabe kumbi umukghwa wamalanga lawo kusahlelwa kwabasebenzi besizwe elihabako. Lokho kuza ngemva kokuthi amalunga amabili womndeni munye kuthiwa abatsho asahlela abasebenzi besizwe elihabako abathunyelwe bona baye endaweni yesehlakalo ngomgqibelo kaBhokweni eMpumalanga. Union ejamele abatshayeli bama-ambulance ikhombile umnyango wezempilo esifundeni bona avikele abasebenzi abafika kokuthoma endaweni yesehlakalo bese bazifumana basengozini nabalinga ukusindisa impilo.
Iveke epheleleko umuntu omduna nosikazi besizwe elihabako bebahabele endaweni yesehlakalo ngemva kokuthunyela ngababalawulako. Bathe bona bafika endaweni yesehlakalo leyo thiwa bathola amalunga omndeni asisilingeka aqeda ichukela. Asola besizwe elihabako aba ngokuriyada ngaphambi kokuthi bazokusiza isiguli. Abasebenzi bezempilo bagijimela ideni elifitshana babaleka bebasukela neambulance leyo khonapho ngenxa yevalo baziphosa ngeteksini bahabela ukuyokubika indaba le emapholiseni. Union lethi isehlakalo senzeke eMpumalanga asithoba ukwenzeka bahle basahlelwa abasebenzi besizwe elihabako bahlathulule lesenzo esinjengesithusako. I-union le iba amalunga omphakathi bona akhawula ukuthusela nokusahlela abasebenzi besizwe elihabako.
Ababelani abanzuzwana be-VBS Mutual Bank bathi uhulumende akenziwe okwaneleko ukuhlangula ibhanka le ngemva kokuthola bona kutatshwe imali engaphasi kwe-2 billion yamaranda. Lokhu bakutsho nabakhuluma nembikindaba eThohoyandou eLimpopo. Bakholwa nokubana isibethamthetho sesifundesi sisozise ihlelo lekoro yangeqadi yokuhlangula ibhanka le ngo-2018.
Balapha nje beminyaka esithandathu solo kwavalwa ibhanka bo. I-VBS Minority Shareholders Forum kunje babantu bathenga idlazana lezabelo ebhankeni lemi. Abanye babo bajugululela imali yabo ibayibulungileke ezabelweni ngaphambi kobana ibhanka le ibanjwe emtshono ngethemba lokubana lokhu kuzokuhlangula ibhanka. Sekudlula iminyaka solo ibhanka le yabanjwa emtshono ibandleli lithi akunalitho abatshelwa lona ngokuvalwa kwebhanka lemi. Kanti basakholwa bona igadango lokuthi babemezela ukuthi ibhanka le ibanjwe emtshono lenziwa msinyana kungakaqalwa ezinye indlela zokuyihlangula.
They just looked at the liquidity, and at that point the bank was solvent. According to the financials, it wasn't insolvent. The bank was still solvent. It was a question of liquidity, which was caused by the hole when the municipality were instructed to withdraw the money.
Okwanje phezulu 1.9 billion yamaranda yadatshwa ibhankeni le kubuyiswe 154 million yamaranda. Umkhandlu lo uthi akusetshenziswe yona imali le ukuvusa ibhanka lemi. Ihlangano ebiza imali engangemali ithi beyikhulumisana nababelana abahlukahlukene kweminyakeni edlulileko ukuthoma amahlelo okuhlangula ibhanka lemi. Ihlangano le isola isibethamthetho sesifunda seLimpopo ngokuriyadisa amahlelo okuvuselela ibhanka lemi.
What was outstanding was for that special hearing to take place here in Thohoyandou, led by Parliament. However, protocol required that the Limpopo legislature be the one that facilitates. I'm sorry to say that they did not do it. They sabotaged that initiative.
Umkhandlu lo uthemba bona ungenelela kwehlangano le kuzokusiza ukuvuseni ibhanka lemi. Kanti isibethamthetho seLimpopo asikaveza umbono waso ngendaba le bekube nje.
Nasibuya Ntolo.
The problem not even notify the department about the learner that is pregnant, because normally they had to punch the information of learner pregnancy in their SASMs.
Umfundi weminyaka elithumi nesithandathu ubudala ubelethele ngendlwaneni esikolweni. Sisaraga nendaba lapha nazikuphundile kuyazifumana ku YouTube, ku Facebook na ku SABC Plus. Umfundi owenza ugrade 10 ubelethele ngendlwaneni esikoleni samabanga aphezulu iMulawuzi Secondary School eBlood River eLimpopo. Umfundi oneminyaka elithumi nesithandathu ubudala lo ubelethe umntwana wakhe esikolweni ngaphandle kokusizwa. Eminyakeni edlulileko kube nemibiko yesibalo esiphezulu sabafundi abazithola basesebancane esikoleni esi.
Ngokutsho komndeni womfundi lo, umfundi ozibelethisileyo lo beka nenyanga ezilikhomba sidisi. Kanti imphathimandla sezithome iphenyo.
We heard about the incident that happened at Mlauch Secondary. The problem is they did not even notify the department about the learner that is pregnant, because normally they had to punch the information of learner pregnancy in their SASMs. So we were going to be aware that there are learners that are pregnant in Mlauch, but without the SASMs and EMIs to give us the information, we're not aware. But what the department is doing to investigate and also to check on the issue is to check if the LO educator in the school was aware.
Umnyango wezefundo uthi imigomo yabo iqinisekisa ukuvikeleka kwabafundi abasidisi kunye nabantwana babo abangakabelethwa.
The policy says no parents must come to a school to sit for their learners, because we are violating the rights of the parents. As per Constitution of South Africa. So the policy says when a learner is 6 months pregnant, the learner must notify the school, and the learner must bring a doctor's note that shows that the learner is still fit to can continue schooling.
Nakusenjalo, yisana kunye nonina bayalulama esibhedlela sesishirho, kanti umndeni akhange ufuna ukuphefumula ngendaba le.
Amaphesenti ayi-75 wabantu bebayingxenye yehlolombono yekampani esebenza ngenkwelede i-Debt Busters Money Stress Tracker bathi bangaphasi kwegandeleleko kwezemali. Okuvezwe babantu khulu livalo lokuphelelwa imali ngaphambi kokuthi bahole kunye nokubhalelwa ukubhadela inkwelede zabo. Hlelombono le yenziwe nge-internet phakathi kwenyanga kaMrhayili noMgwengweni nonyaka.
Ihlolombono ihlandla lesithathu elenziwa qobe eminyaka yi-Debt Busters Money Stress Tracker bafumene bona amaSouth Africa amaningi angaphasi kwegandeleleko lezemali. Ngokuya ngerhubhululo elenziweko abantu bathonyekile ngokuphelelwa imali phakathi kwenyanga lingakafiki ilanga lokuhola. Ihlolombono li ifumene nokuthi abantu abaningi abasenandaba nokukhuphuka kwamakonyana wemali ebolekwako kunye nokuqinteliswa kwegezi. Ikampani le ithi hlangana nabantu abakhuluma nabo beGauteng ngibo abathonyeke khulu ngemali kulandele bakwaZulu Natal kuze bePumalanga Kapa.
I think our main takeaway is that 75% of respondents say that they're experiencing financial stress. And I think we need to put this into context. It's a bit lower than last year. Last year it was 78%. The year before was 70%. So yes, it's come down a little bit. That's good news.
I-Debt Busters ithi aboma abasebenzako ngibo abathonya kakhulu ngemali, ipilo kunye nomsebenzi nakulinganiswa nabobaba.
10% more stressed about finances, 20% more stressed about work life, and 30% more stressed about home life. You almost like double and triple in terms of what's happening there. Home life is becoming less stressful for them compared to previous year, and I think you can make the same argument for all the facets.
AmaSouth Africa asebenzayo ngokuhlukana kweminyaka imali aweningi ibhadela inkwelede. Ihlolombono lenziweko liveza ukuthi abantu abahola 20,000 rands ngenyanga bonakala kungibo abakhanywa zinkwelede khulu. I-Debt Busters ithi 90% yamaSouth Africa abaninkwelede abasebenzisa ihlelo lokululeka ngenkwelede.
Ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuze ngokuhlayela kwemali iphela kungakafiki ilanga lokuhola. Asiqala umbona wakho mbukeli uyalandela.
Jwayeza ukuthi sitshale sikhiphe engadini ukudla kube yikona sikusebenzisayo ukuthi sikudle.
Kunalezi zinto lezi ekuthiwa ama needs empilweni, kunezinto ekuthiwa ama want. Asingathengi ama want, ake sigxile kakhulu kuma needs.
Kungangcono ukuthi abantu basebenzise i-public transport, and then another thing abantu batshale bo imifino bo ma vegetables kanjalo.
Ebona into yokuqala emosha imali ukukhompyutha nabantu uthothi bona basebenza kangcono bahola kangcono kunawe.
Hayi umsasazi imali into ephelayo, inyanga beyintoni imalini.
Lokho la unganamali ukandakelela kakhulu mhathi ngani ngomanyana imali sifumana nje imali encancane khulu.
Ngokusa ukuthi nje bathome ukwenza ukuba namahwebo engenisa imali bangacala umholo wodwa.
Nakade mhlambe umuntu ohamula cobe weekend uyajama weqisa iveke yinye.
Kakhulu vela abomama bayakwata imali mayiphela. Yabona bayakwata.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizokuthosa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Kanti kezemali iranda liqina lilinganiswa nezinye imali ezikolo. Ngaphambi kokuthi isikhambe yakhe sihlole ngekwekwezini ehlelweni sibuya nabazumi. Akwande sibo nikhamba ngaziphi phambili ezikhamba phambili namhlanje ngiziphi?
Siyathokoza Thandeka silochisa umbukelo khona usekhaya hlangana nendaba esizipheteko enambama namhlanje. Kunomfundi kesinye sengikolo lapha isifundeni seLimpopo ekuthiwa batsho ubelethele endlwaneni zokuzithumela. Ngale kwalokho kunehubhululo elenziweko eliveza ukuthi siphezulu khulu isibalo sokuzithwala kwabantwana babendazinyana enarheni le. Ngale kwalokho usomkhandlu wezefundo lapha isifundeni seGauteng uMatume Chilwane uthi uthwenyekile ngembawo zabafundi babantwana baka grade R kwakho grade 1 no grade 8 laba abafuna inkhundla ngomnyaka ozako ukuthi imbawo lezo kunemniningwana etlhayilako kizo imbawo lezo. Ngale kwalokho okhunye okukhona la kungukuthi siphezulu khulu isibalo sokuhlukunyezwa ngokobulili nokubulawa kwabantu lapha esifundeni sePumalanga Kapa. Enye indawo ekhamba phambili ngesibalo lesi kukulapha ke ePort St John's. Ngizo ke indaba esiziphetheko enambama namhlanje, sithokoza ithuba.
Sithokozile Sibusiso lothana imbukele ekhaya ke siqale lapha ke ubujamo bezulu ukuthi bunjani. Sibona lapha ke inkomba ezisho ukuthi kunomoya ehlagwini yeSouth Africa kuthi lapha ke eKapa ligubuzese ngamafu ngapha ngegcebeka kunamathutshana wezulu alinganiselwa lapha ku30% kusebusuku. Kusasa ke sibona lapha ke ikungu enengi khudlwana endaweni zalapha eMpumalanga ukuchinga kilapha endaweni zangaleke ngeLimpopo nangale ngejingalanga Kapa uzakutsheja uyelele khulukhulu ekseni uyawuchayela kwamathutshana wezulu we30%. Siyakusuduka ukwazi ukubona ukuthi anjani amazinga wokuchisa. Sibona lapha iPitori neBronkhorstspruit zifuthumele ukuthi kubokangala ngapho mamelodi kufuthumele eJohannesburg ipholile ngemva kwamadina nokho ke ekseni nebusuku kulala kuvuke kumakhaza iLimpopo. Siyayibona ke ukuthi ifuthumele khulu lapha eMusinanga kuyachisana lapha ePhalaburwa nge26 iThohoyando uyibuye nganeno iphulukwane ke yona ke ipholile nge23 noma ekseni nebusuku kumakhaza. eMpumalanga sibona ke lapha ke ngokuhamba kwesikhathi noma kuvuka kumakhaza kuyaphola ukuthi lapha esikhukhuza kube ngakuyachisa khona ke lapha eMelo kumakhaza pheze imini yonke. Sokuqala lapha ke isifunda sangakwaZulu Natal siyabonakala ukuthi ngemva kwamadina ke sipholile iDurban ifuna ba makhazana iKokstad yona ke ngathi imakhaza pheze imini yonke. Siyokuqala lapha ke isifunda sangaleke ngeMpumalanga Kapa simakhaza ke isifunda abantu bambathe bafuthumele nalapha eKomani njalo njalo. eWestern Cape sibona ke kumakhaza lapha ke eCape Town nge15 nalapha ke kuMomosel Bay nge17 kuthi ke ezinye indawo ke ehlagwini kufuthumele iNorthern Cape ibonakala ke ipholile ngemva kwamadina lapha ke esifundeni sangeFreystata kumakhaza pheze imini yonke bese kuthi ngaleke ngesifundeni sangeNorthwest kufuthumele ke khona ke ngembona negodu ngesikhathi esilandelako. Dido